This system, this electricity controller for both LED and UV current. This is the power supply smart PLC with PLC for LED, and this for conventional UV. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 power supply for 7 carrier lamp, 2 LED UV lamp, 5 conventional UV lamp. This is the electricity power controller. Let me show you another end. Here, all the brand from famous international brand. This is the temperature controller part. Each part from famous brand. We use the best electronic parts.